Hi, I'm Zuzile Mpele. I'm a dental student, which means I literally live and breathe oral health. I'm on a quest to find a toothpaste that can protect my teeth from stains in a gentle and effective manner and also restore the natural beauty of my smile without damaging my enamel. With that said, I hollered at BeautyBulletin and BeautyBulletin hollered back at me, and then boom, they sent me these amazing products. So these are the Aquafresh Pure White Toothpastes. They are both designed to provide a balance of protection and whitening. They also have a triple action effect that restores, polishes, and protects the teeth in a gentle and effective manner. Along with the toothpaste, I was sent this Aquafresh Extreme Clean Power Brush. It is made up of 3 precision circles. 1, 2, 3. The circles are made of up to 2 times more filament bundles. The toothbrush also gives off 20,000 vibrations per minute. Listen. All this is to support your brushing motion and to give you that thorough clean. I have shared the products with you guys. The only thing left for me to do now is to try out these products for the next coming few weeks to determine if they really provide that triple action effect, which is to restore, polish, and protect your teeth in a gentle and effective manner. Hashtag gentle is real strength.